So for question 9, question 16, find dy dx for each of the following. So question A, ln xy equals to ey. So look at our variable here. We have xy. Okay, the xy is combining together. So this is implicit concept. Okay, we're going to look at our question A first, called implicit concept. So we're going to differentiate it implicitly, the way of implicit. So differentiate one term, differentiate another term. So differentiate it independently, differentiate this, differentiate ln. So before we differentiate this ln, remember our ln here, we have our properties of ln that can make our question easier. So as the item is in product, means in the rules of properties of logarithm, when we have log n plus log n, we can simplify it together. When we have log plus log, our item can be multiplied together. So at the same concept, we look at reversely. When the item is multiplied together, means we can do it log by log, one by one. Okay, so it's not expand, it's because this log. When we have another rules, if we have log minus log, our item will be in division. Okay, so this is our properties of our logarithm in topic 2, topic 1. Okay, so from here, simplify. So look at our item here. Our item here is in multiply, so we can use this rule. We reverse back, it becomes log plus log. So for this question, it will become ln x plus ln y. Then you can see our question will be more easier if we want to put this log, this xy together. This one become one terms, this one become one terms, this one become another term. We can differentiate it one by one. Okay, so the xy is not combining anymore, but it's still in implicit because it's not expressed as y as a subject. So we're going to differentiate this, differentiate our ln. The rules of differentiate ln is salin isi pelut ln, differentiate-nya di atas. So x is okay. So for y, differentiate ln y, salin isi pelut ln, which is y, differentiate-nya di atas. Because this is y, we have to time with our factor implicit dy dx. And then ey, so exponential, salin soalan, differentiate power dia. Then because this is differentiate on y, then we use our factor dy dx. So we have to find out what is our dy dx here. Therefore, we're going to collect back this dy dx to the left hand side. This factor, we don't have any dy dx, we move it to the right hand side. Then we factorize out our dy dx. So we can see we have a rational here, so better we simplify here first. Get same to the denominator first. Get same to the denominator, which is y. So therefore, when this denominator times y, the numerator also times y, becomes y e y. So lastly, only we move this fraction to the left hand side, times y divided by this part. So of course, when we have a negative here, we can simplify some more. For denominator part, we can take out the negative. So when we take out the negative, this negative y e y will become positive. So this 1, when we take out negative, it becomes negative 1. So the value of negative we factorize out. Our answer will be equal to y over x, and then y e y minus 1. Done. So we continue to question B, where ln inside here got ln, so this one nothing we can simplify. I think we can simplify because isi perut is ln x square. Isi perut is not like linear x only. Isi perut have another function. So this is ln inside ln. I think we can simplify, but it's okay. We still can differentiate it. Alright, so we just use our rules directly when we want to differentiate our ln. So always remember the rules differentiate of our ln. Salin isi perut. So we look at where is our isi perut ln, which is ln x square. Okay, which is ln x square. So we're going to differentiate this at numerator. Salin isi perut ln, differentiate-nya di atas. So kalau saya look at the things we want to differentiate here, ln lagi sekali. So maksudnya bila saya nak differentiate isi perut ini, sekali lagi apply the rules of ln. So maksudnya sekali lagi kita ada pecahan lagi. Okay, differentiate this at the top. So differentiate this ln. Look at this. Differentiate this ln means salin isi perut dia x square. Differentiate x square. Differentiate x square dapat 2x. So our x can be simplified. So once our x is simplified, numerator remaining 2x. Denominator remaining ln x square. So I can rewrite it so that it won't be like something over something, something over something, which is very confused. So rewrite it clearly. This is our numerator part. Divide our denominator part is this. So simplify this. It will be multiplied 1 over ln x squared, where 2 can move to the front. We can simplify. This is our properties of logarithm. Our properties of logarithm, we still have another properties we always use, where we have ln and square. We can become 2 log. And when we item is in power, the power can move to the front. So when we item, our item x is power, we can move to the front. So we can see here, we can simplify it one more time, which is 2 times 2 divided by 2. So here will become 1 over x ln x.